Man down. It ain't blown up, but it's about to be. Same cylinder. Spark plug is just smashed. Again. Yeah, definitely not supposed to look like that. First time it happened, thought it was because of my burbles, because I had them things on 10. This thing was popping. Now I'm starting to think it might be a rod bearing has slipped and it's allowing the piston to travel further than it's supposed to, smacking this. So eventually I'm going to check and see if the rod bearing spun. And I don't know what I'm going to do after that. We'll see. So I guess this car is on pause for a while. It's just about to be boost season. It's ready to suck in some fresh air, but it's going to be sitting for now. Guess after I check and see if the rod bearings are good or not, I may swap the pistons and rods as well and clean this up. Maybe a new clutch again. It's on clutch number 3. And yeah, we'll see what happens. At first I was pretty sure my fuel pump was going out on me. Took it out, checked it out, saw it was a brush motor instead of DC, so I couldn't swap it for my 335 pump. Oh well. So that one's staying in there. It's doing some data logs. It was doing pretty good. And then turned traction control off. Hit that thing. Just started missing. Walked it back home. And yeah, that's a problem. So it's going to be down for a little minute. I guess now that this is down, I'll probably find the boost leak on the 335. And then put this M3 diff in it. And start beating that one up. And then I might work on the F32. F30 is probably easiest, so I'll get that one done next. And this thing will probably be down for a while, because if you know me, if I break something, I don't replace it, I upgrade it. So let's see what happens. M3 is signing out. Actually, let me give y'all a rundown real quick. It's got the VF Engineering procharger kit on it. It's got a 3.6 upper, stock lower. Most I've seen is 8.3 psi. Got a Hobbs switch right here, wired into my, well, vacuumed into my blow-off valve. Dinan throttle bodies, better for sucking air. Dinan struts. Dinan stage 2. Dinan foot pedals. It's dirty. We got a P3 boost gauge. Stock primary pump. Secondary is a 525, I believe. eBay shifter. It sucks, especially when it's in gear. It's hella loose. And it's got a valved exhaust. Not Valvetronic, but it's valved. Other than that, it's straight pipe. These aren't the wheels I run. Fitment is horrible. But carbon fiber hood. I think that's it. It'll be out for a while. Peace.